Hello, my friends. I'm Dr. Thomas Carter, a urologist who has worked with men of all ages for over 25 years. And today, I want to talk about something that is often whispered about, sometimes joked about, but rarely spoken of honestly: the health of your pelvic floor muscles, and how a simple 3-minute daily exercise can transform not only your erections, but also your overall confidence and vitality as a man. Now, if you're over 60, you might have noticed changes in your body. Maybe your energy isn't the same. Maybe intimacy feels different. Or maybe your morning erections don't show up as strongly as they used to. Let me tell you something important. You are not broken, you are not alone, and you are not too old to improve. In fact, the male body at any age can respond beautifully to the right kind of training. And the best part? It doesn't take pills, it doesn't take fancy equipment, and it doesn't even take more than 3 minutes of your time each day. Why the pelvic floor matters. Before I teach you the exercise, let's talk about the why. Inside your pelvis lies a group of muscles called the pelvic floor muscles. Think of them like a hammock or a sling at the bottom of your body. They support your bladder, your bowels, and yes, your penis. When these muscles are weak, blood doesn't circulate properly, nerves don't fire as strongly, and erections can become softer, less reliable, or even disappear. Weak pelvic floor muscles can also lead to problems like leaking urine when you cough or laugh, or trouble controlling when you ejaculate. But when these muscles are strong and coordinated, something amazing happens. They press gently against the base of your penis, trapping blood inside and giving you that full, firm, youthful erection you thought you had lost forever. It's like having a natural pump built into your body. And you can train that pump, just like you would train your biceps or your chest at the gym. The science behind erections. Let's make this clear and simple. An erection happens when blood flows into the penis and stays there. Arteries bring blood in, and veins normally let blood flow back out. But during an erection, those veins are compressed so the blood stays inside the penis. Guess what helps compress those veins? Your pelvic floor muscles. So if your pelvic floor muscles are weak, blood leaks out too quickly and erections fade. If they're strong, the veins are squeezed shut and your erection stays hard and reliable. That's why strengthening your pelvic floor is the single most powerful natural exercise I know for men over 60 who want better erections. The 3-minute daily routine. Now let's talk about the actual exercise. It's only 3 minutes, but those 3 minutes can change your life. There are 3 parts. The slow hold, strength building. Sit comfortably. Imagine you're trying to stop yourself from passing gas or urine. That squeeze, that's your pelvic floor muscle. Hold that squeeze for 3 to 5 seconds, then relax for the same amount of time. Repeat this 10 to 12 times. That's about 1 minute. The quick flick. Now, instead of holding, do quick, sharp squeezes. Squeeze and release as fast as you can. Do this continuously for 1 minute. You'll feel the muscles firing rapidly, almost like training them to be more responsive. The endurance hold, stamina, and control. Finally, squeeze and hold the muscle for as long as you can, ideally 10 to 15 seconds. Rest, then repeat 3 or 4 times. This trains your pelvic floor to last longer, giving you staying power during intimacy. That's it. 3 minutes. No equipment. You can do it while sitting, lying down, or even standing in the shower. Nobody will ever know you're exercising. Common mistakes to avoid. Now, let me warn you, most men do these wrong at first. They push down instead of pulling up. That's the opposite of what you want. They hold their breath. Remember, always breathe normally. They use their abs, thighs, or buttocks instead of the pelvic floor. Focus only on the muscles you'd use to stop urine flow. If you avoid these mistakes, you'll feel the difference faster. What to expect? You might be asking, Dr. Carter, how soon will I see results? For most men, after 2 to 3 weeks of consistent practice, they notice stronger morning erections, better bladder control, and more confidence in the bedroom. After 6 to 8 weeks, the changes can be dramatic. But let me be honest, this exercise won't make your penis grow in size. That's a myth. What it will do is maximize the hardness, fullness, and natural strength of your erections, making your penis look and feel bigger because it's performing at its best. Beyond erections, extra benefits. Strengthening your pelvic floor isn't just about sex. It helps prevent leaks when you cough or laugh. It improves bladder control at night. It supports your back and core stability. And it gives you a deep sense of physical control over your body again. Many of my patients have told me that after practicing this daily, they feel younger, not just sexually, but in everyday life. They walk taller, they laugh more, and they no longer carry the silent shame of weak erections or bladder problems. A holistic approach. Of course, exercise alone is not magic. To truly get the best results, you should combine this with a balanced diet rich in vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats. Regular cardiovascular exercise like walking or swimming to boost circulation. Good sleep, at least 7 hours a night. Stress management, because stress is a huge erection killer. When you take care of your whole body, the pelvic floor exercise becomes even more effective. Final encouragement. My friends, I've seen men in their 60s, 70s, even 80s regain a level of confidence and intimacy they thought was gone forever. And it all started with this simple 3-minute daily habit. So, don't give up on yourself. Don't believe the lie that age means the end of passion, intimacy, or strong erections. With the right knowledge and a little daily practice, you can feel vibrant, alive, and deeply connected again. So here's my challenge to you. Commit to 3 minutes a day for the next month. That's all. 3 minutes to strengthen your pelvic floor, improve your erections, and take back control of your manhood. And if you do it, I promise, you will feel the difference. If this message resonated with you, leave a comment below saying I'm in, so I know you're ready to take charge of your health. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest, science-backed advice for men's health over 60. Stay strong, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.